When you are sleeping on your back, your palate's soft tissue relaxes with sag, narrows your airway, causes vibration during breathing, so that snoring sound occurs. When the microphone in the Smart Anti-snoring device detected snores, the airbags located under your head or your body start to inflate quickly. Gently turn you to the side, which opens your airway and would reduce or stop your snoring. If the first airbag inflation does not reduce snoring, the anti-snoring device will inflate other airbags to change your head position or your sleep position. For example, turn you left or right, raise you up or resume until your snoring is stopped or significantly reduced. According to actual tests, the Smart Anti-snoring device could reduce 80% of the snoring. The Smart Anti-snoring device is equipped with an elegant bedsider, which monitors the entire process of your sleep. Download Tuwan mobile app, bind up your anti-snoring device, get sleep and snoring report every day. You will learn about your sleep and snoring pattern, as well as the device's intervention effect. Tuwan Smart Anti-snoring Solutions enable peaceful night sleep for you and your partner. Tuwan Technology, your anti-snoring specialist.